Welcome to lesson 4 of business studies. This is part 5 where we will be going over the skills development levy. Remember, it still falls under the Skills Development Act. So we're going to cover everything that has to do with the Skills Development Act, which falls under environments in business studies. So let's go. What is it? What is the skills development levy? It is a tax that a business pays for skills development and where does this money go? It goes to the SETAs and it goes to the National Skills Fund. Okay, if a business has an annual payroll of over 500,000 and more, annual payroll, okay, then 1% of whatever is paid out in salaries goes towards this fund. So if a business has a payroll of 500,000 or more, an annual payroll of 500,000 or more, then whatever is paid out in salaries, 1% of that goes to the SETAs and the National Skills Fund, which is considered the skills development levy. Now, 20% of that amount goes into the National Skills Fund and 80% of that amount goes towards the SETAs. Okay, let's move on. Businesses can claim back 60% of the total amount paid for training, but the training must be approved. So a business can claim back 60% of the total amount paid for training, but the training must be approved. Okay? If a business submits a workplace skills plan, so a business needs to submit a workplace skills plan, then it can claim back 15%. If a business submits an ATR, which is an annual training report, it can claim back 45%. The levies that are paid to SARS are placed in a special fund. If a business does not pay this tax, it cannot offer learnerships or claim grants. So no levies paid equals no learnerships, cannot offer learnerships, and it cannot claim back any grants. So that's all you need to know when it comes to the Skills Development Act concerning the Skills Development Levy. That's all you need to know about the Skills Development Levy. Join me again next time for lesson 4, part 6.